Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install Spotify on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Spotify on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the Spotify app, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be on the website. So to download Spotify app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download buttons for Spotify right here. So for the download buttons, you will have two different options, either if you want to download Spotify on Microsoft Store, or if you want to download it directly from the website. But both of these options do work guys, so you can select whatever you want, but in my case, I will choose to download the app on the website. And after clicking the download button, your Spotify will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, your Spotify installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Spotify will now be downloaded on your PC or laptop, so just log in your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.